Okay, here's some help with Monday night's homework, the problem solving triangles sheet. This is a very challenging homework assignment. All the problems should be relatively medium difficulty, except for 3, 6, 9, and 12 as we discussed in class. 3, 6, 9, and 12 are really tough. So I'm going to do 6 and 9 on this homework help video. Also remember, we're in the math lab tomorrow, so this homework's not due until Wednesday, which gives you a little time to work on it. Don't wait till the last minute. On number 6, like we said in class, we need to replace that first base with height. They made a little mistake when they wrote that up. The height of the triangle is a third of its base. So we don't know the height of this triangle, but we know it equals 1/3 of the base, and the base is down here, base. So we don't know the base or the height, but we know the area. Let's start by writing area formula. Area equals base times height over 2. And we know the area is 24. So 24 equals the base times, now I'm going to substitute in this 1/3 b for the height. 1/3 b divided by 2. And then we have an algebra equation to solve. Remember, we can undo this division with the inverse operation, which is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides times 2. That's going to get rid of this part. So we get 2 times 24, which is 48, equals b times 1/3 b. And b times 1/3 b is 1/3 b squared. b times b is b squared. So 1/3 b squared equals 48. Again, we're going to get rid of this division by multiplying both sides by 3. Because 3 over 1 times 1/3, that would cancel. Multiply this side times 3, and 3 times 48 is 144. So 144 equals b squared. So the square root of 144 would equal b, and we know the square root of 144 equals 12. So the base of that triangle is 12 meters. And then let's just put that back in to see if that works. B equals 12. The height we said is 1/3 of the base, so 1/3 of 12 is 4. So A equals BH over 2. A equals 12 times 4 over 2. A equals 48 over 2, and that equals 24. And that's what we started with, 24 meters squared. So that works. Base equals 12 meters. Now I know that was super hard. In fact, we're jumping ahead at least a year, but every once in a while I want to challenge you guys with problems like this and see how you do. I'm not going to have time to do all of 9, but 9 is the same idea as 8. It tells us the base of the triangle. Base is 1.5 times its height. So here's the height. And the base equals 1 1/2 times, or 1.5 times the height. So when you're calculating area, well, we know the area formula is base times height over 2. And we know the area, they've given us the area is 75. You would just use, instead of using b, you would use 1.5h, 1.5h for b, times h divided by 2. So 75 equals 1.5 h squared over 2, and then see if you can take it from this point and figure out what h is. You're going to undo that dividing by 2 with multiplication. Then you're going to undo this multiplication with division, and then see if you can figure out what h must equal. Okay, now if you're totally boggled by 3, 6, 9, and 12, don't worry about it at all. Do your best, and then 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 11, all the other problems you should be able to solve. So just do your best. Okay, thanks. See you in the morning.